Step 1. Place 2 of the rubber bands on opposite sides of the foam block. Make sure that they are both straight. Step 2. Slide each popsicle stick into the space between the rubber bands and the side of the foam block, making sure that the stick goes through both rubber bands and reaches the end of the foam. Step 3. Put the third rubber band onto the end of the popsicle sticks that hang off the end of the foam block, placing the rubber band about halfway down the middle. Step 4. Place the notched wood piece in between the two sides of the end rubber band, then pinch and twist the rubber band up, keeping each side of the band in their respective notches on the wood piece. Step 5. Place the boat in the water and let the rubber band go, and watch the boat shoot off.